I don't know if I'm white skin or what. People thinking I can sing.
Bitch, people have asked me my whole life too. Can you sing? I'll be like, hell
no. Like, why would you think I could sing out of all things?
I don't know. I can't do that shit.
No, I can't sing. I'm a hoe.
Right. I ain't none of that. I'm a hoe. Period. I ain't none of that.
I was doing really good on my nails and I broke all of them in like the past 2 days. So, do you believe in love at first sight?
That's just weird because you have to know you love them.
Have you ever used other person's toothbrush? I've shared my toothbrush with somebody, but they was just using my shit.
Just using your shit.
Do you believe in aliens? If yes,
hell yeah.
Why? So people might not know this about me, but sometimes I be watching conspiracy theory stuff. Have you ever secretly wished to be YouTube famous? Oh. Of the people in this room, who do you consider the sluttiest?
What would you think? What would you think?
What's the biggest romantic fail you've ever experienced?
Romance.
I tried to take some niggas' virginity and
I like that motherfuckers don't like Geminis because bitch we don't like y'all either.
What's the weirdest thing you've done in front of the mirror? Dang, I don't know if it's because I've been drinking, but all these answers are coming to me hella quick.
Shit, let me drink some more too.
Wait, where's your wine now?
Right here.
Back when I was like way younger, the condom came off inside. I would like spread eagle every day, like hella close in front of the mirror, trying to like find.
Wait, it was missing for days?
It took days to come out.
And I was like, oh my god.
I was freaking out because I didn't know.
I'm finna turn this bitch up.
On these dumbass bitches, I'm having a blast right now. Yeah.
I heard you bitches was looking for me.
Bitch, here I go.
I heard you bitches was looking for me.
Bitch, here I go.
I heard you bitches was looking for me.
Bitch, here I go.
Bitch. I heard you bitches was looking for me.
And like I said, it was like when I first started to have sex, so like I was sore, so I didn't just want to like try to get a bit there. Like what the fuck, it wasn't like that. So yeah, basically I was just like so that is the weirdest thing I've done in front of the mirror is spread my shit open trying to like look for some shit in there.
Oh, you have a great life. I think I've just masturbated in the mirror.
In the mirror?
I just want to see things.
That shit, I was like, damn, I can't see. I'm like, I can't. I gotta get this shit out. Because I didn't know, like, damn, okay, so if it doesn't come out, will it just like keep going in or what? That's what I didn't know.
I have no idea.
Up on Yahoo Answers and everything.
You know what though? That's not like mind blowing to hear because I actually have this home. Oh, no, she's not even a homegirl anymore, so we not gonna mention her name. Okay. But we used to be friends, and I went with her on a slide, right, to some nigga's house, and they had sex or whatever, and we go home. Like literally everything's fine. We go home the next afternoon at like 12. Bitch, don't ask me why she didn't take a shower after, because I don't know. I would have, but she didn't. So she's in the. She goes to use the bathroom. We wake up. She goes to use the bathroom. And she screams and I'm like, what? Like, what's wrong with you? She's like, bitch, this just fell out of me. Bitch. And she stood up and it was literally the whole condom fell out of her. And I was like, bitch, that's been inside you the whole time. Like, you didn't know?
So basically he just like, he slid through.
But so I was like, was he like looking for something? Like, you know what I mean? Like, did he know it came off? Like, you know, he had to have known. He's a guy. And she's like, well, I mean, he kind of was looking around, but like, I said, oh, bitch, you did you crazy.
Lord, right? That's what happens when niggas with not so big dicks put on bigger condoms and they slide off. That's what happened.
Big dick, big cat.
Big dick, baby. Stop playing.
You knew that. Put the kids to sleep, then I'm thinking about slaying with my blue rat.
Throwing up the set.
Fuck them guts. I'm in that bitch bag. Hey. Damn bitch, you look like you in a prom.
Prom, bitch.
Damn. Do it still get wet? Is it tight? Big dick. Big cat.
Just to show them how the text work. Bitch, I bust down my network. What's the most surprising thing that's ever turned you on? I can go first. I didn't know I would like all that choking shit. But then I realized I was a psycho.
You are a psycho because you said it with a straight face. I'm not a psycho. But I do like that shit. When I was younger, I did not like getting head. I just felt like it was just nasty and sloppy and foolish as fuck. I used to just hate it. I used to be so nasty, disgusting. And people would be just, grow up, bitch. I grew up a little bit, you know? And that shit surprised the soul out of me.
I heard other people saying that too. Like, I didn't like getting head.
I didn't, like, I wasn't getting it right though.
Yeah, no. What's the grossest thing that's come out of your body? My fucking period. Period.
Period.
That has to be the grossest thing that comes out of my body. For real.
Period's just nasty, but you know, nastier. You know, I'm not trying to be too nasty, but I had a yeast infection once, and that shit's filthy as fuck.
Really?
That shit's nasty.
Guess any of that stuff, low key.
Yeah, that and period. Period.
What's the most disgusting thing you've ever done? Dang, like what's disgusting? I don't know.
I think we're gonna do the appropriate though, right?
What can I say that's appropriate? That's disgusting.
That's disgusting. I know.
If I can think of something to even say, I don't even know what to qualify as disgusting. Like, I don't think I'm a disgusting person. What's the most disgusting thing you've ever done?
But
The most disgusting thing I've ever done is fucked with some of you niggas.
Period. Now that's disgusting.
No, that's disgusting. What's the most disturbing fantasy or dream you've ever had? Disturbing. I think everybody has done this, but I've had that one cousin that I thought was fine. That one cousin.
Yeah. Yeah, that's disturbing.
We all have that one cousin, and yeah, that's disturbing.
Everybody gets over it though.
What's the most awkward experience you've had with a crush?
I've cut somebody's lip before, like trying to kiss him when I had my braces in. That was so embarrassing. Like, I felt so bad. I cut his lip and he was like, it's fine. But I was like, I don't ever want to see you again. I'm scared. I'm sorry.
That's crazy. I always used to think about stuff like that when I had braces and it never happened.
Really?
But I would always think about it.
I never used to think about that shit that happened one day. I was like, oh, fuck.
Most embarrassing. Okay. I freaking started my period. Sex for the first time. I started my period on the first time. So it was like, and nobody knew basically until we freaking saw it later. Ooh, is this blood?
Being a woman is so fucking hard.
Is this blood? Like, did you bleed on me? And I was just like, oh, like, my bad, I didn't know. My wig came off one time. But I was drunk, so I didn't really think it was awkward at the time.
Yeah, it wasn't awkward.
There was
a lot going on, so.
Yeah, so I was drunk, so it was just like, but wig came off. I kept it off too, like I didn't care. All this stuff is sex stuff though. I don't really find other stuff awkward.
Sex stuff is very easily awkward.
What's the meanest thing you've ever said to someone? I didn't really say anything super crazy. Like, I never told nobody to die or nothing.
No, nothing like that.
So, I don't know what's the meanest thing, but I know I do be saying some mean shit, and I do be saying some harsh shit sometimes. It be real shit, though. What's the cruelest thing you've ever done to a friend? Took her nigga. That was only one time though. Never.
No, I've taken a bitch's nigga, but after me and her wasn't friends no more.
No, I took a bitch's nigga while we were friends.
Said multiple times that you'd never do it again though.
Yeah, and I didn't take her nigga. Like, it was just something that happened, and then she didn't want her nigga no more, so I just scooped him up.
Honestly, I think the worst thing I've done is probably maybe slipped up and said something I wasn't supposed to, like around the wrong motherfucker or the wrong nigga or whatever the case might have been, but
the wrong nigga.
yeah, like, you know, or
yeah,
like
that's hard. That's hard.
yes, like, you know, it was something like it was her boyfriend who was around and I slipped up and said something like about what we did, but then she was like, "Did I tell them we were asleep?" And I was like, oh shit, you know. But I think that's as bad as it gets.
What's the most childish thing you still do?
Should I go to my mama's house and eat all her food and make her cook for me and do childish shit like that? But Zam, your phone, boo.
Note to self, bitch. You need to cut it.
You gonna put this in it though, niggas like, what they talking about?
I know, right?
Finna go to sleep like this. Wake up like, hello, makeup. Right.
Maybe I could at least save my eye makeup.
Yeah.
My brows.
Mm-hmm.
Try to. You be really saving your shit though. I never could sleep to wear my shit.
Yeah, like how yours. Bitch, shit, I know, cause your ass be no. You know,
I
lay
guess
straight
you
back
just be
like
like,
this.
yeah, you be laid back. Like,
I lay on the whole bed like.
but I'm like, damn, I cannot sleep like that for real.
Bitch,
Even
I'll
if
wake
I
up,
do, but that's
I'll
why my
tie my
scarf be
hair
off.
up, like-
All my shit be off. Fuck. I'm gonna try to.
Your
Only when I'm
favorite
real
position
fucked up.
is you'll lay on your stomach and one arm will be off the bed and your head is off the bed too. And that's when everything is fine. I'm like, yeah, she's sleeping good.
Everything gets fucked up whenever I go to sleep. I could never like lay on my. If I lay on my back, I'm gonna just flip around. I've tried to save like my faces and stuff, and it usually doesn't work. Cause I'll at least like put one side.
Right, they would just start curling
Yeah,
outside.
and then it's like start smearing
I lay my
off.
ass back like this. I'll put a pillow here, bitch. Can't move nowhere.
But yeah, did we answer that? What's the most childish thing we do?
I answered it for fake, but that wasn't the real answer.
The most childish thing I still do. I don't really like my food touching. People say that's childish. I don't really like my food touching. I would rather it be spaced or on multiple plates.
What is childish? I don't even fucking know. I'm gonna give y'all that answer. That's what I had. That was the answer that I'm going with. I'm in a party with my bag.
She getting freaky because she grinding two cocks. We got me high and this Henny got me drunk.
Blow
Blow dry, kissing and you need his hair done. Alright, cool. So, thanks for tuning in to our, what is this? TMI challenge? I don't know. We basically just wanted to get ready and do like some fun questions. So, thanks for tuning in to our TMI challenge. I'm going to leave Jazz's Instagram and social media down in the description box, as well as mine. Hair info, all that will be down below, so check it out. We are going to do a story time, so I'll link that down below in the description box as well. I don't want to mispronounce my eyelashes. They're from Azalea. Oh, damn, I hate that hard ass vibrate.
Turn that shit off.
Like, what the fuck? These are Rockstar lashes from Azalea Rian. She has all the really full dramatic queen lashes. So if you're into like really full dramatic lashes, don't be scared, head over there.
Don't be scared, head over there.
Head over there. Alright, cool. So we'll see you guys later. Love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And watch our story time.